YouTube, man. I got another video for y'all. Just recently I just got these countertops in, and what happened from previous time, these cabinets on the left hand side is 24 inches deep, so that reveal is the same. This side is not anchored in, but you know, this has, you know, the reveal, that's the backsplash and everything's cool with that. This side was actually 18 inches. All these cabinets on this side is 18 inches. With it being 18 inches, of course I couldn't do the 24 inch cabinet. So these, you know, each one of these backsplashes have been cut off and then also sanded down. And what I'm gonna do is go back and let's see how it fits in the space here. Man, your boy work is lawless. But I'm gonna come back with some caulk paste, you know, like have some sort of paste here, then caulk and a flush caulk here. That joint's gonna look flawless as it should. I installed the 3 base sink in here, also the stainless steel employee sink on that side. You have a backsplash wall. Reason being why these cabinet doors are out is because I had to paint these little pedestal areas all here. So I got to rip the tape off, put the doors back on. They look nice. Plumbing inside is actually done, but it just, you know, I got to connect that tube here over and over to that side right there. That'll be all connected. Then you have your backflow preventer here, and then the hole is somewhere. Yep, hole's right there going outside. You can see the light. So everything's ready to go. This is where I'm at, and also now we have a good 2 feet of focus. Got a good 2 feet of walking space, so you know, myself and other people can get in here. So I'll go back and put the black splashes here, and I might even add a return on here and probably terminate it right here. Same thing on the side, is a little bit lower, but what I was thinking of doing is adding these this trim with this little brick all on this, which should even out to that part. That's the reason for that offset. Same thing on this pedestal. Add the covers on for today is with the new agenda. Also putting in the main power line. It's going to go to the generator. Generator's out in the front. So here's the generator. Then I got to put the stainless steel all in there, anchor it to these screws, or I'm actually gonna make my own holes and anchor in here and probably 4 other places on here so it's secure. The idea was to install it on the side, but it just wasn't enough room up underneath here. And then this is where pretty much all those screws is. The flooring, also the studs, so I couldn't cut into that. That would have been a disaster, but all intents and purposes was for it to be up underneath here on the side and a big, you know, cut here, but it didn't work out that way. So this is where I'm at. Had to repaint all that stuff, and that's all looking good, looking flawless as it should. Probably for next week, cabinets up here, cabinet up top there, and one last cabinet back up over here. Until then, I got my work cut out for me, man. I want y'all to, you know, continuously, you know, enjoy that good while I'm over here working it, getting it out. Until next time, this is G Kersey, man. I'm signing off with another Guud Lyfe Smoothies video. Peace. I'm out.